Hello everyone, my name is Tara and I'm an art instructor at Clap Studio. Thank you so much for purchasing our magical wishing well kit. Now if you haven't purchased your kit yet, feel free to do so at www.clapstudio.ca. We designed these kits to make the process of creating your projects a lot easier, smoother, and with as less mess possible. So go ahead to www.clapstudio.ca. Now let's get started. For this kit, you will have the following pieces. A square piece of foam with a hole in the center. This is going to be the base of our well. Two spatula-like shaped pieces of foam, which are going to be the sides of our well. Two square pieces of foam, which are going to be the back and front wall of the well. A long rectangular piece that bends in the middle like so. This is going to be the roof of our well. A regular size popsicle stick with a piece of foam in the center. A strip of cut popsicle sticks attached to a strip of foam tape. This is what we're going to be using to make our bucket out of. A small circle with another smaller circle cut out. This is going to be the base of our bucket. One tea light, some pipe cleaners, a couple of magnets, gemstones, glitter foam stickers, a piece of string, a couple small pieces of foam, some pom-poms. Last but not least, you are going to have a blue piece of construction paper. And now for some additional materials, you will need a pair of scissors, crayons, markers, anything to color with. To start off our creative process, we are going to first decorate all of the foam pieces. So for these pieces, you want to color on the sides that do not have the tape, and choose a side for the square pieces to color. For the roof, make sure you're coloring on the top part. For the base, you can color whichever side you want. And once you have all of these pieces decorated and designed, we're gonna go ahead and stick them on our base. Now before we go ahead and color our base, we're gonna take our tea light and place it in the hole. Now the purpose of this tea light is to give your well a very magical, mystical effect. Now this is what I have designed so far. I went ahead and I stuck the pieces together in no particular order. Just make sure the sides are across from each other perfectly so that when we put our popsicle stick in, it would be straight. We're going to take our blue construction paper and cut it up into small pieces and crumple it. Once we have crumpled it, we're going to take it and place them inside the well. Now this is going to be a simulation of water inside our well. And what we're going to do is we're going to place it around the tea light so the light isn't covered up. This also makes it easier for us to pick up our treasures so that it doesn't fall into the gaps. And now we can go ahead and put on our treasure. Now for these foam pieces, the way it is designed, you're going to go ahead and stick a magnet onto each piece. There are 4 magnets that come in the kit, so 3 magnets will go for the treasure. And you're going to design it however you want with rhinestones and all. So these are some of my treasures. I made a little camera with the gemstones and all of that. I made myself a little gold bar. Once you've got all of your treasures made, place them magnet side up into your well. Now we're going to work on our bucket. We will need the following pieces: the foam circle, the strip of popsicle sticks, the pipe cleaner, and a few strips of glitter foam sticker. So what we're going to do is peel off the sticky behind the foam tape, and what we're going to do is we're going to place our circle with the edge onto the foam tape and just wrap it around. Now with our last remaining magnet, we're going to take it and place it magnet side down into that hole. So the magnet should be seen at the bottom. Now that this is done, we're going to take our pipe cleaner, and there are 2 more pieces of foam that are there on the popsicle sticks. We're going to peel that right off, and we're going to stick our pipe cleaner to it. So now that I've got my pipe cleaner attached to my bucket, I'm going to take my string and tie it to the handle. And now with these glitter foam sticker strips, we're going to take it and tape it around the bucket so that the bucket would hold its shape. Now that I've got my bucket done, I've taken my popsicle stick, the one with the tape in the center, and I wrapped up the other end of the string onto the popsicle stick. Now, in order for your string to not unravel, we are going to take a piece of glitter foam sticker and stick it right onto the foam tape and the string. So in this way, it holds it in place. Now, take your bucket, roll it up a little bit if you want, and slide it into the hole. Now go ahead and place your roof on top of your well. Make sure all the sides are pressed in firmly into the tape so no pieces fall out. And just like that, we're actually already done with making our well. Now, if you're wondering about the little pom-pom pieces, these are our wishing tokens that we can take, throw into the well, make a wish, and once we've made our wish, we lower our bucket into the well, roll it back up, and what did we get? We got a bar of gold. There you have it, our magical wishing well. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you haven't purchased your kit yet, feel free to do so at www.clapstudio.ca. Till next time, bye!